Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mathematics. Today we're going to be rapid firing 3 key Desmos tricks that you need to memorize to do well on your August SAT. Let's get started. First, we're going to be covering trigonometric equations. So let's say we have an example where we're given the equations tangent of x plus pi over 3 and cosine of 2x, and we want to find all solutions between 0 and 5 pi over 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in some curly braces and enter the restriction. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5 pi divided by 6. That way we cut the graph so we can only see what we need, and we can do the same for cosine 2x. Zoom in a little bit over here, and voila, we have our one solution right here at x equals negative 1.356. Okay, our next tip will be inequalities. Desmos makes inequalities so easy, guys. You should know this. So let's say we have two inequalities. 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 7, and then 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 8. We go back and we look, we can clearly see the regions that are only purple, only black, and then black and purple as well. So you can, like, for example, put a point 2 comma 3 and see which equations, or rather inequalities, this point satisfies. All right, our next tip is going to be using regressions in Desmos. So say you get a table on the SAT, which isn't that uncommon, and they give you these values. So say if x is 1, y is 12. If x is 2, y is, I think, 30, or 20 rather. If x is 3, y is 30. Oops. And if x is 4, y is 42. And they tell you that this is the graph of a quadratic equation. Let me zoom in here. Here we have our 4 points plotted. We just need to calculate a regression. So what we can do is we can click on add regression on the left hand side right here. Click on quadratic regression, and we get our equation. This is our equation, and r squared equals 1. This just means Desmos is 100% confident that this is the regression. And we can use this, we can call it g of x, right? And we can find any value from the formula. We can find g of 15, 14, and so on. So those are the 3 key